In this video, we are going to learn how to highlight entire rows and columns by conditional formatting. For this purpose, we are going to learn two methods. One is static conditional formatting and second is dynamic conditional formatting. So let's start the video. So here we have a mock data here with different rows and columns. In this data, we want to highlight materials. So we not only want to highlight only papers, but the whole row will take a lot of time to edit that thing manually. To avoid this thing, we will use conditional formatting, and for that we have two methods, static and dynamic. So we will discuss first static here. For the static conditional formatting, you simply go conditional formatting, new rule, and from this new rule use a formula to determine which cell to format and write the formula here. You want to highlight whole row, entire row, so you must have to fix the column. Okay, so first of all we will select all data. After that, conditional formatting, new rule, and this right here the formula. So cell address is simply A1. Okay, so we have to fix the column because we want to highlight row. So put here $sign and equals to. You have to fix the column in which your data lies. Your data lies in B column, so write here B, and here simply write which you want to highlight, like paper. Okay, and then apply a formatting. Simply green color with font bold. Okay, and okay, all the entries having paper will be highlighted and complete row will be highlighted. Now the second part is dynamic conditional formatting. For the dynamic conditional formatting, we will use data validation option. For that, select a cell nearby and then go to the data tab, and this data console validation, select the option, and from here the list, select all the materials, source, select all the materials. Okay, and click OK. Right, so here you get the unique items, all the unique items listed in this data. Right, now you have to do conditional formatting. For that, go to the home tab, conditional formatting, new rule, formula, and write here the formula. First of all, select all the data, control A, select all the data, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula, and equals to. If this is equal to this, then the formatting will be applied, and we have to change here italic, and fill will be changed blue color. Okay, now see here, you have to fix only column, not the row. So fix the column, remove the $sign, and here write the 1 because your selection starting from the first row, so there must be number 1. So this will remain same. Okay, and all the data with plastic will be highlighted. If you are confusing something, if your green color is confusing, then go to manage and delete this rule, which was the result of static conditional formatting. Apply and OK. Now you just change here from metal and you get the result. Okay, you can do it manually or you can do it by this data validation option, fabrics, so you will get the data change. Right, now we will learn how to highlight entire columns. So similarly, second method, dynamic method, will remain the same, but the other static method will slightly different. So now, first of all, control A, select whole data, conditional formatting, new rule, write a formula. So, now you want to highlight columns, entire columns. For highlighting the entire columns, you must have to fix the row which containing your specific data. First, you want to highlight price column, then your price is containing in row number 1, right? So simply go write the formula equals to simple write any cell address. Now fix the row number. For fixing the row number, place a dollar sign, and this will be anything, but within the limits of your selected data. This should be A, because your data is starting from column number A, column named A. Apply formatting, apply a different color, pink, and font bold, and okay, and okay. Now what's happened? Let's see. Manage rule. Where is yes, you not write the formula completely. So this, if this is equals to double comma price, if this is equal to price, then the formatting will apply. Okay, apply and okay. Right, this is the stretching method. Now how we apply in dynamic approach, how we see the dynamic approach. First of all, select as any cell, go to data tab, after data validation this, and select the list option, select the source is this, and okay. Now you have the whole thing present over here, whole data is present over here. Now simply select the price or date, or maybe I want to highlight the date. Go to the home tab and apply the conditional formatting. First of all, select the whole data, select manually, select whole data, go to the conditional formatting tab, new rule, new formula, and this here we can simply select, we want to highlight date, so simply select this equals to our this data, right? So here we have to fix the, we have to highlight whole entire column, so we have to fix row, remove this dollar sign, and write A here, because our selection starting from A. Apply formatting, fill, and a different color, this maybe this, or in red color suppose, okay, and okay. Nothing happens. Let's see. Conditional formatting, manage role equals to, and see here what is the issue. Oh right, edit rule. Here we have wrote the column 2 is fixed, while our data containing in column number row number 1. So put the 1 here and apply add of there. So date, now you want to highlight color, so it will highlight the color, material, and quantity here. So we will change here, we can also change here plus material, fabrics, right? Now you can also have access this workbook. You want to put this on the top, you want to highlight all row and then column, then you simply move this rule at the top by pressing this and apply. This will happen. You can also delete this formula, okay, apply, and this thing will happen. Now you can change your data and take prints. Have fun and enjoy. This will make your work easier. I have shared both static and dynamic approaches in conditional formatting. Thank you very much.